Rooster encountering butterflies by the river. What is that? What is that, huh? And cool off. The test will be if he stays in the boat when we bring him fishing. Shiny. Oh, did you find another butterfly? Oh, come here. You're okay. Oh, that's a fish. That's a big fish. That's a waste. Leave that alone. You don't need fish jerky. Come on. We got these paint your own bait. And then we got some paint markers. And then I already did mine. That's Amber's. I did a goldfish that lost a paintball tournament. Rave goldfish. And then a watermelon. You know? I just had fun with colors. Looks like it's out of a children's book. Well, hopefully they work. We're going to try them out. Abby and Amber finally got their fishing licenses, and as soon as it warms up, and head out. Show me your lures.
Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Blue with pink stripes.